What's up, online shoppers? Are you feeling swamped by bulky sweaters, oversized winter jackets, and you have nowhere to put them? Or maybe you're looking for a way to store your important gowns like prom dress or a wedding dress, precious baby blankets that will keep them out of the mildew and out of the mold and away from the moisture and humidity that can actually ruin them. Well, let me show you VMstr's storage bags that come with their own little electric pump. Follow along while I show you how you can magically pack something large and bulky with something as simple as your phone, your laptop, a power bank, or even just going the boring old route and plugging it into the wall. First of all, let's look at what you get when you open one of these boxes. You know those moments when you are stuffing your carry-on or squeezing your winter gear into a closet and you think to yourself, oh, there has got to be a better way? That's where these VMstr vacuum storage bags come in. Now, each one of these packages is going to come with its own little electric pump in a little bag. Makes it so cute and easy to store. There is the pump right there. You've got a pretty decent sized length of cord. The cord has its own little adorable silicone cord keeper. This here is the area that is going to do the sucking or the vacuuming, and this is your power connector. So you can see that it has a USB-C, but if you pull the lid back here, you see that you also have a USB. So whether it's your computer, phone, portable charger, or even a traditional block like this one, power up your little pump, suck the air out of your packages so that they lay flatter and take up less space. Let's get into action here. First things first, I'm going to plug this in. Now it is powered up. So easy operation, basically push to start, push to shut off. They're all a pretty standard size. The idea is that these could be used inside of luggage, so you're not going to get a massively big bag. The bag works pretty simple. You have a twist cap here. The valve for the bag is right there. They also include for you these little zippers. Slide them on like this to get the proper seal nice and tight. Let's see what it looks like when I put a pillow inside. Here I've got a little memory foam pillow. They're really nice and compressible. It would take up a lot more space in my luggage than I would want it to. The little keys they give you, slide it along a fill line. So whenever you're putting something in here, you don't want to go past that line. Otherwise, it's too much work for the little pump to do. Unscrew this, put the pump on, turn it on, and watch it work. These would have been so handy when I traveled to Jamaica last year on the March break. I definitely needed something to compact all of my clothes and get them nice and flat. Now, another thing that this is great for is transporting your dirty laundry. So if you don't want to have your dirty laundry mixed in with your clothes that are still clean, this is definitely something you can do. Now you can see that this is actually even compressing my memory foam pillow and getting all the extra air out of the bag. You can see it sucking it in. Look at that. This is so awesome. Doesn't take much to amuse me, I guess. Continuing to remove the air, continuing to remove the air. Now I'm definitely speeding this up, but look at it compressing this memory foam pillow. It will make a funny noise when it gets to the point where it can't suck anymore, and at that point you just shut it off. It's actually got really good suction power. The bags are made from polyethylene, and I am impressed with how well this zipper sticks together. They aim to create a really tight vacuum seal so your clothes will stay flat and compact during transit and storage. Everything measures about 35 by 30 by 95, which makes them a really good size for rolling up clothes or compressing layers in a small space. Now this is really starting to work. You can hear the noise, make it a little bit different. Now I'm just going to shut it off. Take it off, put the lid on nice and tight like this, and my memory foam pillow is ready to go. Look at that. That is so impressive. This is literally effortless compression. Fantastic for travel, for dorm life, for seasonal storage, and even for organizing bedding and extra pillows, because look at what it does to the pillow. This is truly awesome. If you are someone who values practicality and simplicity, these VMstr vacuum storage bags are truly awesome. Get them in a package of 12 like this, or a smaller package of 6 like this, for a hassle-free solution for space wasting. They are especially handy for trips, for living in small spaces, and for those moments when your closet just literally doesn't want to cooperate. These VMstr storage bags are absolutely a family favorite at my house.